Welcome to Star News, where we bring you the latest and juiciest updates from the world of Hollywood. If you're passionate about celebrities, scandals, and all the buzz surrounding your favorite stars, you're in the right place. The world is closely watching the scandal surrounding rapper and producer Sean Diddy Combs, which involves allegations of sex trafficking and racketeering. The court process is currently in a crucial phase, and every new detail further intensifies public interest. What stage is the process at today? Currently, court hearings are actively underway. The prosecution is attempting to present evidence of Combs' alleged criminal activities, including acts of sexual assault and exploitation. The defense, on the other hand, is trying to undermine the credibility of witness testimonies and present Combs as innocent. Who are the key witnesses and what did they say? Several key witnesses have already been questioned during the process, and their testimonies have significantly influenced public opinion. Cassandra Cassie Ventura, Combs' former girlfriend, singer Cassie, detailed the abuse, control, and coercion into sexual acts she allegedly endured at the hands of Combs throughout their long-term relationship. She placed particular emphasis on the so-called freak-offs, multi-day drug-fueled sexual marathons in which she was allegedly forced to participate with strangers while Combs watched and gave instructions. Cassie also stated that she would return the $20 million she received in November 2023 as part of a settlement in her civil lawsuit against Combs if it could undo the humiliating drug-fueled sex parties. In addition to Cassie, other individuals have testified, corroborating similar actions by Combs and his alleged connection to sex trafficking. One witness stated that he was paid for sex with Cassie during freak-offs while Combs observed and directed them. Combs' lawyers are actively trying to undermine the credibility of the witnesses' testimonies, highlighting inconsistencies in the information they provided and presenting evidence that, in their view, supports Combs' innocence. Justin Bieber's statement regarding the scandal. Amid the renewed attention to Sean Combs' case and his court proceedings on sex trafficking allegations, discussions have resurfaced online regarding Justin Bieber's relationship with Combs, especially considering Bieber began his career as a teenager and spent considerable time with the older Combs. In response to these speculations, Justin Bieber's representative released an official statement on May 15, 2025. While Justin is not a victim of Sean Combs, there are people who he has truly harmed. Shifting the focus away from that reality detracts from the justice that those victims rightfully deserve. With this statement, Justin Bieber emphasized that he is not a victim of Sean Combs. However, he expressed solidarity and support for those who have suffered from Combs' actions and urged the public to focus on achieving justice for them, rather than on speculation surrounding his own name. Sources close to Bieber reportedly assert that his public appearances with Combs were often staged, and he did not have a close personal relationship with him, beyond knowing his sons. These sources also insist that Combs never subjected Bieber to sexual or other forms of abuse. What does the future hold for the process? Sean Combs' trial is expected to continue for several more weeks. The prosecution plans to call additional witnesses and present further evidence. If Combs is found guilty on all charges, he could face a life sentence. The world will continue to watch the developments in this high-profile case, which continues to shed light on the darker side of Hollywood. What do you think will be the final outcome of this high-profile case? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for the latest updates.